Hey kindergarten friends, go ahead and grab out your 3D shape packet and your shapes that you have. I'm going to use our actual school ones for this activity so I can show you a little bit about it. So find the 3D solid hunt, which you've kind of already done. So you've got already an advantage on this page because you found some things. So you're going to search, not your classroom, but your home for 3D objects. Let's see if you can at least maybe find 3 of each. Some of them might be a little harder, but some are going to be super easy. So that's the goal. If you can't find 3 of the cone, then you're good. But I'm pretty sure you can find 3 of the others. So 3 of each is your goal. So all you need to do is colored pencils or crayons, whatever you want to do. And when you find a cylinder, for example, I would draw a ketchup bottle, maybe my Dr. Pepper soda can, and another thing could be, oh, I found the railings. That was part of our scavenger hunt last week. So I could draw the railings here. So there's my 3 cylinders already. Kind of use the colors. If I drew this, it would be red. If I drew the cylinder outside on the railings, it's white, so maybe in pencil. So try and add the color to your shapes as well so you have that detail. Especially when you get to, if you're going to do a whole bunch of different balls. Don't just do circles. If you're going to do a basketball, draw it orange with the lines. If you're going to do a soccer ball, do your best like I tried to draw the other day and draw that soccer ball. So make sure we can tell what kind of sphere it is. All right, so that's that job. So detailed pictures. Use the colors of the things that you find. So if I were to draw this on my cone, I'd be adding polka dots and some frill on top and the red on the bottom. So don't just draw a cone, draw what it is. All right, that's your challenge. And you can send me pictures so I can see what you found. And then the next one is where we're going to talk a little bit more about, I'm going to put this here, the objects itself. So we've got 5 3D shapes. What is this one called? A sphere.
I'm going to move in.
And this one is the cube. Then we have the cone, the cylinder, and the rectangular prism. So the only one we're not doing is the pyramid. So we're going to talk about these words. We've got the object, then we have faces and vertices. So it's not the face on your face, not your face, it's the face of a shape. So let's look at a sphere. A face is a flat side. So does the sphere, I don't have my pencil, so I'll just use a marker. Does the sphere have a face? Is there any flat sides on the sphere? I'm hoping you said no. So you're going to write 0, the number. 0. Are there any vertices? Who remembers what vertices were called when we were talking about the 2D shapes? They're the corners. Is there any corners on the sphere? Oh, no. So 0 of those. So now we get to do the cube. Woo! This is going to be hard sometimes to keep track. So you got to really pay attention on which one you're counting. And it's hard when it's all the same. It all looks the same. How am I going to do that? So the cube has how many flat sides? So when you count it, we'll do this one together. So if you want to grab yours out, you can do it too. So I'm going to put it on the table.
I was going to say, it's easier for me when it's on an object.
So it doesn't move. So I can count the top is 1, and then I'm going to count the sides 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that's on number 6. So a cube has 6 sides. Woo, here we go. The vertices.
Oh, there's
going
going
to
to be a
count the
lot.
corners. We're going to start at the top. We know a square has 4 corners, and we're not going to count the corners twice. We're going to just count them once. So really, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've counted these. Now we just have the ones on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many is 4 plus 4?
Hey, it's your
I know, it's doubles. What is 4 plus 4? 8. So there are 8 corners. That will probably be, besides this one, probably the hardest of them to count, just because you have to keep track. So 6 faces, which are the flat sides, and 8 vertices. Let's see if my cube is the same thing. Do you think it's going to be the same thing? Is it going to have 6 faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the bottom is 6. Oh, does it have 8 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that. So all cubes will have the same faces and the same vertices, and it will be the same for the others. So that is your job, counting faces and vertices and drawing the shapes that you find. So have fun doing your 3D shape hunt and drawing and counting, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.